In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new listing on Etsy. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Etsy. Click the official Etsy link to head to the home page, then sign in to your account. Once you're in, open your account menu and double-check your settings if needed. Then go to your Shop Manager. This is your dashboard for everything related to your shop. From the left-hand menu, choose Listings. Here, click the plus Add a Listing button to begin creating a new product. Etsy will first guide you through a short setup. Type a keyword into the category field, like ceramic mug or digital print, and pick the best match from the suggestions. Click Continue to lock in that category. Next, choose whether your item is a physical product or a digital file. Indicate who made it, you as the shop owner, a member of your shop, or another company or person. Confirm whether it's a finished product, a supply, or a tool used to make things. Use the drop-down to select when it was made, then click Continue. You'll be asked how the item was created. Select whether it was made from scratch, assembled from purchased parts, altered from another item, curated from purchased goods, or sourced as a natural material. Then specify the tools used: handheld or hand-guided tools, computerized tools or machines, an AI generator, or none. If you work with production partners, add them now so your process remains transparent. When you're done with these disclosures, click Save or Next. You'll now see the main listing editor. In the About section, add a clear, descriptive title and upload high-quality photos and videos. Use good lighting and multiple angles. Write a detailed description that explains features, dimensions, materials, care instructions, and what buyers will receive. If your item supports personalization, enable it and provide clear prompts. Set your price and inventory, including separate pricing or shipping considerations for domestic and international buyers if needed, and add an SKU for your internal tracking. Under Details, you can adjust whether it's physical or digital and confirm the category. Depending on the category, fill out any extra attributes that help buyers find your item. Don't forget to add relevant tags and materials, and include manufacturer and safety information required under applicable regulations, such as GPSR if it applies to your product. Choose your processing and shipping options, including a processing profile and shipping profiles for accurate rates and timelines. Then review additional settings like returns and exchanges to align with your shop policies. When everything looks good, either publish your listing to go live or save it as a draft to revisit later.